these money lenders who are causing suicide to our young people, who allows them to operate? So if inflation is 5%, 4%, 3%, why should anybody charge Amagoba or interest of 3% per month? Which means that 36%, 20%. Chigenda comma. We are going to stop it. But now, unfortunately, my bazukuru are already in the kitimba banange. Kati now our katonda jari. But in the meantime, number one, Honorable Matia Kasegi is now going to tame these parasites, the money lenders. And he will bring a statutory instrument which we shall all support, controlling interest rates of money lenders.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.